Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to change out the rear rotor out of the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport right there. So let's go ahead and get dirty. First thing you know how to do, if you know how to raise up your car with a jack, with safety jack stand or whatever, that means you're okay. You can do this job. So let's go ahead and remove the tire and get in there. After removing the tire, this is what you're gonna do. This is what you need to do to remove the rotor right here. You need to remove the brake caliper first, and then the bracket right here. Bracket caliper. You're gonna have to need a 14 milli socket for the caliper, and then 14 for the bracket as well. And then you're gonna need a large Phillips screwdriver to move this little guy over here, right here. At this point, I'm going to put the video on time lapse. That way, you can make the video shorter, and I'm going to try to give you some more view. That way, you know what exactly I'm going to do over here. And that means I'm going to put the camera somewhere over there or this way. Okay, just to remove the caliper, it's to remove this uh, bolt over here, and there's a nut up here at the top. But I don't think you can see this one. Just like that. Okay, now here's that hard part on this one. That's why I'm making this video, because I am having some hard time, so I figured to put it out there and show you guys. Okay, most of the time you had to remove this bracket right here. You had to move this bolt over here and over here. But in this case, as you can see, his arm over here, you had to remove this one in order to get to the next bolt over here. Now here's another view from the top. This the top bolt over here, right there, right here, and there's another one inside here. So you gotta remove this arm over here in order to get this one out in here. Okay, in this case, it is very hard. I cannot get it out with a normal ratchet, so I'm going to use the air gun to get this out right here. After loosen up like that, and then use a 19 milli wrench in the back side over here. That way it won't keep spinning. There you go. So after moving this out this way, and then go ahead, get your 14 milli, run it in here just like this, because this is the only way to take this barrel out. In this case, it is very hard right now. It is extremely hard, so I cannot use my normal ratchet. I'm going to use the air gun again right here. With air gun, it is easy. Of course, you can move the top one too as well. You cannot see on this video, but I am doing it right now. There's another closer view over here for the top one. And now the bracket should be easy to slide off, just like this, see? Now, after all that, if you're going to reuse your rotor for some reason, if you just moving it to do some changing over here, then use a mallet hammer like this or rubber hammer. Don't use this one over here. In this case, I am going to replacing this one, so all I have to do is to hit it right here to come loose. Perfect. Now on the 18 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, it is got the shoes inside this one. So this over here is like disc and drum at the same time. This is like drum right here, drum like here in the middle, and this is the disc over here. This is the shoes, and on the outside right here, it's got the brake pads over here. So this is for the e-stop or the emergency stop over here, the brake, the parking brake right here. So it is a little different over here. So if you're changing this one, I'm sure you're going to do some more job in here. But in this case, I am changing the rotor out. Okay, while you at it, go ahead, use some brake cleaner out of this one, on this one over here to make sure it's clean. Now, it is time to put it back together. It should be in a reverse way or the opposite way, but I'm going to give you some more information. For example, on the old one, there's little thing over here, and you can see it or not. This little rubber right here or seal right here. So hope you can see right here. This one over here. So you go ahead, get a rubber hammer or something to knock it from the inside, like this. Should come out. It's out right now, and then just pop it out like this. Here you go. This is the little thing over here. Go ahead, clean it up, and then put some dark grease on there, whatever you call it, for easy to go in the new one. So now go ahead, pop this little boy in the new one. If you're wondering what kind of grease I use this one over here. That's the bulb grease over here. Something that's not strong on rubber. So just pop it back in that hole over there, and you're good to go. Now, perfect. Let's slide it back in here. Make sure you line up with that screw hole over here. There is two holes like this. That means it goes right there on this side right here. Here we go. Let's go in there, baby. Easy. Now from here, you should be okay. But I'm going to continue, give you more information. Just go ahead, slide your bracket back in place like it should. Now, here's the fun part. This is what we're expecting from this video. This could help you. To put the arm back in the place right here, it is difficult. Will not go in, but it will go in if you use that little brain you got. It will not go in no matter what you do. What you do, just use one of the adjustable channel lock. What do you call this thing, guys, over here? Gotta twist it that way, and eventually you find a way in there. But it's not easy. So I'm going to put you on time lapse right now. Maybe I'll give you enough view on this thing. Now the long bolt is in there. It is not easy to go in. It is very hard. You may need another help if you got somebody around. If not, you're going to have some hard time. Well, at least on my side, maybe over there with you, hopefully it's easy. Now you know what to do, like I said. Okay, now it is perfectly on there. Remember, the purpose of this video is about the rotor, not about how to change the brake pads or something else. Now the rotor, it is completely on there, rubbers on there, screw on there, everything, that back on there, and then both back on here everywhere except the brake caliber. It's not about the brake caliber, it's not about the stop, it's about the disc. Now it is on there, That means we done over here. Hopefully you got enough information from this video. That means we are finished right here, and thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful for you and hope you got yours done as well. Once again, thank you and bye for now. Adios.